Wait, no, they don't fair date. Tell me that they share their picture. My dear, you know who is half of them. Fear not they let now they snap with better picture. Now they use filter. Now they live fake life. Now picture for Facebook now fake life. Everything that they do now fake life. Everything about you guys are fake. Your pictures are fake. If you want to come alive, now fake. Who are allowed to go first lady go. We can't tawo okororo we do we wait till better or work di mofi. O on your wo. O work di mofi new born we. O work di mofi o born ari no your wo no jakokbia. Come rain, come shine. No matter what that man has gone through, that man has gone through hell. What kind of less yana ya gue? Or je gwana ro what kind of ya gue? Ama be no ma mi we social media what kind of ya gue? We no work no gay. We no take boye no ra. No gay na mi ne. Na di mo fi mi. Uma pack a book by we no gay. No me say na by mouth. You pack your things and leave a no gay. No me say na by mouth. The relationship by the calculator. Oka pegbe 2-3 years wa pa ne. I'm telling you, when I'm in no game, when I'm in no game, when I'm in no game, in a dimorphi, when I walk at dimorphi left any. Anna talk no mutako bia, or ma emma, I call at dimorphi, and a Monica way I get tiny. A Monica, a woman was when I wear Monica, a Monica even no, a Monica is a weze, a Monica like Buene Yenora. Out of way again now, where wow gay, Yenora, Monica, like a walk benogi, of Walawa. Mammy, a chair fair no we left where fair, or Robe Monica. And why I defy a trap Monica, or a bella, the audio, no, I have pay show. Man, weze. While I don't know game, the most anywhere vat in here, or even anywhere vat enter house now plan work on a scam. On a scam, my sister, on a scam. Now Monica come be my best friend. It will get 2 million. Why not go meet Monica? Una go meet Monica, Naija. You know like when where that social media now. When I go yo guare. Oguna de buen na me we ekia fe nu we wona la social media ni wo kan pa by a platform na re e di mo fi todo beg we ona bribe we o se we wo se dan mu le kian wo fen boba o se ni en lele we ladian iye no ra gbeyegbe so wo kan di mo fi ya e ma se no go wo kan di mo fi guan ama bi o se o ma be won se ba ni o ma etu awona ketu no ruwe o ma sisen ana wona ketu e no ruwo e o masi sen so ikwo ba na agun a ikwo no enegbe na agun a okwo no ewe no okwo no unjodo na agun a okwo no mujajiye kodo na agun a okwo no gbuna no do na agun a okwo no malele na agbotale loda fun ona agun a ula o ya kuye gbo ejo wo da ama ewo egbe libya o lalawa egbe libya lalawa egbe libya o lalawa ruda no egbe no ma negbe okun opo no ma ne gbo hin why you well la misa egbe ma be ko menu eje ama me e camera fit and wa lo ni e then e picture we ala jan ya we shine we dead oni oboke di mo fi wa no oboke di mo fi iwa no ekene di oboke di mo fi na gon agu egun a ekene oboke di mo fi na ladian ohun agu we ladian oga ada fu wa si ari egbo ba no ya wan me iye no ra we ma lene uyale lave central boys in season uyale lave boys no wa eworo we soro ne long time ago before now omo na gbon agun we bi agun a u bi imitate your work first lady u we aladian we agun be background e say yo yan ma negbe ja useless people what of why useless is say other ye am ye e mo na gbon we agun wa bi aladian we gun ave go bi no ma negbe ave hu no ma negbe ave guia ave picturelet on we agu egena do mo final like a Facebook or that way 3310 egena do di mo fi like Facebook or that way 3310 e phone at a bed that flat bed a phone or that way we no wa gbona we why gbigba we don't know why gbigba here we go na te igwa nya me we lewe bonenu do publish egbo we no do alaja social media when you are seeing yourself as celebrity my food, celebrity my house, celebrity my leg. E wana gbon agun obi we be agun em wan ya wa go mon wale lo say e Monica no man be negbe e Monica no we kiakian e Monica ne o mo egua ekita e Monica ekita yin ati ivie ni vie na tafo elele wo say ekita o tafo na we lo be ekita I will enter for my little Monica. I will what for my little Monica. If we are larger, we are go, we are larger, we are also say, we are larger way, water matter, or water matter. When I see one me, water matter, I will grab you where. Your name is really priceless. A priceless, you are not even priceless because I do where necessary. Or what on where January, I look at Nogi. I mean, no get also only waiting where you only paint over, Ben paint over. In will not money to a webo. In will not be a shoro. In will not money to a webo. In will not money to a webo. In will not go where we are going. What are you aware? No, the word vati near. No, the word vat who were rohoy. Ujun wona ya rohoy. Uwe junu bo ya reko e boy ne gbuweni. Una we mi sevebo. Una we mi sevebo. Una we mi sebo ko no enegbe. Me na e we me enegbe o. Uwe fawa o sha o me enegbe. Uma o na rewe. Uja imi oboke edimofi. Luda we eyiwa wariana. Eyiwa wariave. Emi ya fe oboke edimofi eyiwa we. Oga emi o se no eyiwa we. Oga o se na no solo boya joma eyiwa we. Aga ti oko no do no ujodo. Awoke edimofi eyiwa we. Ima blame we. Ima blame we Facebook no je wan don we no. Because ahun we zegbeli ben we la. Ima mu we ogule lapa. Ahun we. Egene lapa ya kapsa da ya mu were. Ahun we. Obi alajo do agwanya kanya wono ma ne gbo agwanya kanya wa gwo sele ehun no ma ne gbe egwia wa ga wo se no wale kian ga wo se no wale kian na ga wo se no lele kian no mero bi anye welele enogie do o do we peso wa ko we bete e den wi ase no gie we no ge kian afian we ra bi ju se wo wa we ni ai mo gba ya fe eno ge kan do tell atian eno ge kan do tell atian we si bata ne Niger no mo ke di mo fi ara mo to a we si bata no mo ke di mo fi ara mo to aye nora imeke nu nora arie we si bata no mo ke di mo fi ya na mo to ave no ma negbe ne we lala bukpon ave un no mama ave samagwan ave dewu ake wani ragbon we ake gwa wani ragbon no eyin wa ki wa ragbon eblishi agwa wa eblishi igon wa me social media wa ya de eblishi igon le social media eblishi wa ya u iwine lolo obu wa yan e mate lolo obu we yan oye nora e mate lolo ibu yan e Monica e ko bu yan ne wo ke ibu yan ne whatever you have wana lajan do snap a picture one way to wa mo say e camera no on a wash when a Monica lajan without a filter when a no get lajan without a filter was snap with a normal camera on a wash get we get dimofinia go we get dimofi oni okwo na yakaka oni okwo no jodo wa mi okwo na agwo no jodo no edimofi owo ke dimofi e wo no wa no ma su peva uwaro ma su peva why you even nek mo pa no ke bu won mi wa la down we down that live video wa salon la dian wa gbunu ye nedimofi gbu e no bu enyen ni nedimofi no gbu e no bu enyen e 2 million naira no bu eva o e 2 million na no kan hin say you eva enyen e 2 million naira okay please people should share this audio e 2 million naira kan hin eva enyen o bu eva enyen we men wa eje e kwe la wa gbe ni ove Tagala wagbe o ove e tagala wagbe ove tagala wagbe o ove enogie ove la wagbe ne ove wa la wagbe na enogie geku amu we enogie geku amu omo la gbo be atawo e po mo yo omore no ya tawo be pe di mo fi yere awugwe enogie awugwe gbe no we kian awu weke we na ti wa lo weke eke we na ti wa we ivie ke roba ivie ne pitolet ivie na gbe afa yu we ne ka zanzo we kan vie ko wa weke ne we ti le weke ivie geku amu my brother geku amu geku wa amu ti mo wo wa gwa o la o wa geku amu o me ne gbe we 2 million naira una ya betray that gbe afa 2 million naira shame enogie lawa enogie iwe nu lawa enogie ono hu o ma so we 2 million naira is that what you want to sell yourself for ana we baby on wana gbo we ki me we be on wana gbo ge uwe le unre na mweku we aya mwe ki baba aya re egbe reserve ya spend a 2 months egbe reserve ya ton kai e ge na bi jo ya neko we uwe fava o won ye be gwedo agwedi mo fi gun a uwe Kennedy mo fi je e Kennedy mo finance one life social life na a presenter na where la Europe we yan feel ye kwa wedere o we don feel ye kwa we owe shentura abi o na package maji ubi aladian ubi do agun we do inu e pa mi sikanya u do ipo pa mi sikanya social media presidency akwa agbo e 2 million na ni o kan oku e ke Monica nwa aju wa wenu amama we ko mi le Monica o ke du mezi o ke ne mi ya fe o wa kan yu wa wenu amama e 2 million naira 2 million kan agbeluwa 2 million naira kan agbeluwa 2 million naira kan agbe what we 2 million naira ni o kan ti se e lolo hiye ke o e lolo pa gbe no pe e lolo pa gbe no pe we na ga mo no me wan Eganation has no that Monica we lolo who dem me hotel mi ya pe audio ni we me we Monica ke ogwa leso egbe Monica egbe lolo wa gbegwe mi ya fe we agbegwe mi ya fe we agbegwe mi ya fe won no yan regret we maybe o si we ke gbe o Edimofi wa me ya wo mo Ọlọ́run no mo ni sama wa yen ya wo mo Edimofi wa me ya we Godson Ọlọ́run we no le blishi yen ya we e Godson Edimofi lele camp ya fe no irewe bo omo yen mi won ya move Libya no we Godson Ọlọ́run we ne blishi we no le camera fitter we no get snap with a re camera a camera fitter ko we ya fe we ya snap you una we o kan to gun agwe Edimofi gun ni wena Edimofi gbe wa gbon ni wena Edimofi no si we ladin ge we ovela we gbe ne e 2 million naira ovela we gbe ne ge we ovela we gbe do ma ta efo ma me ne Monica na o no gwe e mate jeboe me de ne Monica ovela we gbe ne enogie e wona gbona bi agun u lawa because you are a disgrace to Edo. You are a disgrace to Edo State. You are a disgrace to Benin presenter as a whole. You are not supposed to be called a presenter. Who that when I who over your hand? Me ma no when enoge we wa when am enoge in way. No go ani. Ama be je enoge na mu ne wa no ma negbe no a. Where so no when enoge a. Where gbakata yu nwa. Where su gbakata yu nwa ni. We on na afera baba no gbugwe we on afera no gbugwe abi na mo vato mo gbo ohun ni we won shi no lele no ge hia e ma na gba akun eni iya we na eni ya we azuo when no ge is priceless but with 2 million you want to betray your own fellow presenter. How dare you want to betray your own fellow presenter? How dare you Ema ni ka represent ni ke wa mi o e mata wa agbegwe wa mi mata wa agbegwe o se wa ya fe na gbere ebiebi wa ya fe gberi wa ya fe gberi akpete video o jera ma leak na ni aya ta we elolo ema ni won le lolo gbelu wa gbon ni lolo suwa la imi elolo ezo onwe lolo kan azo fe wa gbe fe ku ke Monica ke ivie no ma negbe ivie ke roba ivie owe roba ivie pitoleti e disgrace kan la wa ya fe gbe enoge e disgrace kan la wa gbe e 2 million ani we na riwe o kan sigma juwe o we are okay ni otani me kan no we no ge we go see social media president we go see sikegbe ba me 2 million naira we go see dai ogi na tie we a oge na tie we a e panado ga ni go ado vebo ne bogbu ne 2 million naira no re we lawa. It shows that you are the most useless presenter I've ever seen. Later we presenters here go here ya tie bonoma here ya mwe bogboma imajaji egbu me na wajaji na egbu na me na wajaji fake. You are fake. Everything about you is fake. Your life is fake. In short, your family is fake. You are living a fake life. And we boss maybe all my just singlet we won pa gbonajo. We won pa gbona me singlet ojo laja. We won pa gbonajo. We no ya laluwe ko am we go nu. We won pa gbonajo. We won pa gbonajo a. Anyway, sir, I can see that you are very, very hungry. You are very, very hungry. But maybe a painting you now, my me over. I will no lekia a corona or block can na washawo. Equally washawo no lowe. Ya my mere ego moonwe. On our 2 million lolo. New York with 2 million era. Even looking at boo. Even looking at Sue Fiji. Even looking at Sue. I can see Monica Fiji. Even looking at Sylvia Fiji. When I want me matter. Why me matter? Why why ya gwe? Otono dokin no wa. Obanedo, okin no wa. Etone dokin no wa. Ovatono gedu mo okin no wa. Iye New York no wa. Oguna me okin no wa. Aga te bonazen osugba gbe. Aga te bo wie osugba gbe. Aga te bo son asugba gbe da wa se na se ne dokin. Ivie do ma obenogi okesun. Iviedoma enogi uriani afewa ugwe 2 million se ugwe ewu ya gelenego 2 million se ni arigo bae for you just to cover up make na ya gwo make na yo bo make na gwo enwata 2 million wa ya gunu ya gwo enwata azata we elolo ema enogi okmanu ya wani iwi wa egbo ori Okman where one we a bugwe or you guys should play share this audio please. Thumbs up please. A glory. Enogie, a glory. You are digging your early grave. You are digging your early grave. When maybe I am going to come out on live for you for 20 times. And I'm going to make sure that we allow. Welcome we soup where? Enogie. Ekene awa na do meeting. Oh, can do am manager. Where is no 2 million naira? Where was no 2 million naira? O wari 2 million naira unwe okwoven oboku weje. We na gele onjoko. We na gele respect oboku no rowa. Onwa agweta wo kan 2 million naira unwe lolo a. Abigo nwe mie no maso we. Igo na Jemi Hassan no maso we. Wari go nyan we lolo wetin you go na me ige social media wetin go like gbe a ige social media wetin wa ariyo eko ivon wa ige social media na to we ariyo egbe yoku we a we bono lele kian we dege no lele kian we dogban no lele kian una we lolo kian me 2 million naira no ya te no ya ta we elolo won dano no ya gwene dumezi no ya gwene ole adulterous women. Una we 2 million naira okay eya kian sanwe ru develo emelolo osu eladio emelolo kuweke Monica Vivie won ya fe ni gba won bobo 2 million no kian suwa laidi o kian suwa laidi wa 2 million no kian suwa laidi wona wa mi won so wona ga presenter pe o gba kin o wo kin o mo bo kin o mo we kin una we gun anedo ne una wonu do mi mata nu je emine ku igwe o to na do kian siwe la yin wonu mi ma to wonu je igo na igo gbuonu e mata mo gwo eta laja eto na dokin agbu eni nu we ni no gieni wa mi akma egbere no gbuwe ni akan gbuwe a su we le wi ya fe kian a mi ke na gba orewe wa o kan wa plan e na wu ogwa udo lara ta we me and my wife one quarrel one just quarrel so this thing one cause only how this thing happen. Only have this na Nollywood, Isha. Na Nollywood. Na don't practice am. Na Nollywood. Na Nollywood. So why people confirm and say he tell you na Nollywood. Na don't plan and call they come live video say, tell me how this thing happen. I dey vex. Tell me how this thing happen. Tell me igbo we no gi. Ogbo we no gi. Ove kan la wegbe. Ove all la wegbe. Oh la wegbe e di mo fi gwa lo mo ona we anju we no ma ma we ba u de we ba won ma we guy ona we kan as goson ona we na ehun na we ni samagun we no mo no omo no nwa eve o pasapon ba ugwe kan do je e di mo fi ya we godfather a ugwe e di mo fi o se wa be en ugwe sef we be la ta be na we me followers e do me fi o se we me followers. You should give kudos to that man. Eddie Murphy is not just a presenter. Eddie Murphy is a comedian. Eddie Murphy is not just a presenter. He's a comedian. That man, he dey give everybody joy. Eddie Murphy is a man of truth. Forget say they talk. Forget say they curse anybody. If Eddie Murphy see truth, he go talk am. When Eddie Murphy first judge Lolo case and Monica, when the matter dey hot that time. When Eddie Murphy judge Lolo case and Monica that time, when the matter dey hot, not be Lolo win the case. Not be Lolo win that case. When Eddie Murphy judge a matter, when the matter just dey hot that time, not be Lolo win the case. Abi you not listen to the audio. Abi your ear wear pint. Abi your ear wear mama not a pint. Mama not a pint don't block your ear. He pant here, hey, your ear wear pampers. You know, yeah, as Lolo tell the beg Monica when the chicken cost, Abi your ear wear pampers. Usun wagbon, 2 million igbo e 2 million ogbo e. Kwe ki yan wa ya fe 2 million ogbo luwe, kwe ke du mes no ma negbe. E du mes no ma negbe. 2 million wa wa me palace. Wa like wa mo a new story re o, wa na me bad story re o. Uma me e Monica ve jebu e mata ni ahin ata han mi o to e. E Monica han mo se awe, o han mo se awe DNA test. I can one mon wete no ra no we no. I can we na ti gbegbele Monica. Una we na ni pay to 2 million naira. Na gbegbele Monica we do mes. I can me one mon we mugia ni ije nora ni gwonya nora. E no ge e nora ni we ya we DNA test. Ya we DNA test na do go bien nora. E ko na ti 2 million naira no ya bribe. Not take 2 million naira as a bribe. It shows that Nora is not your biological daughter. Because a true Benin man that you call yourself as a no-gay, you cannot be covering issue for an adulterous woman like Monica. And you'll still come out for platform, who do I go? Who do I why we na teriji? Oh, and when I go we are going. We not anybody no ide by Monica ne. Or a follower say Monica no ide by Monica ne. You are adulterous women. Okunere word no gbobole le Monica. Okunere word no nata wetin ya we pay show no gbobole le Monica. Who ya fe re o go gbelu ya fe. They say show me your friend and I will tell you who you are. Show me your friend and I will tell you who you are. And what is the meaning of that? You are Monica followers, all the women Monica followers, they are adulterous women. If they are not adulterous women, they should come out and speak the truth. Okay, if you are a married man, you are on Facebook, and your wife is following Monica, the wife is paying for Monica live show, I beg you in the name of God, block her Facebook. If not, your wife will go outside and practice this like Monica. Yes. Please, you guys should share this audio. If you get wife, your wife they follow Monica. Your wife they watch Monica audio. My dear, your wife don't they fuck around though. They say practice what you teach. If they teach, they have to go they fuck for outside now. Your wife go leave food go burn for fire. Go they look Monica show. Your wife don't they sleep around though. Guy, go they check your wife well. If you want to get the good truth, go block your wife. May not they follow Monica again. She's an adulterous woman. Mama Nora too, na adulterous woman. Your case goes to show. Your case goes to show. Not the men we don't fuck you for camp, for Libya camp, where they for push you for Lapa. All their case, we don't they get information one by one. Ima avule ya lajan. Saga must continue. Saga must continue. Saga must continue. I'm telling you people. You want to sell your truth. You want to sell your pride. You say you are priceless, but 2 million naira they don't buy you. You are priceless. 2 million naira they don't buy you. The no-gay is priceless, but now they've bought you. But now they don't buy you. You are no longer priceless. They don't buy you. You are no longer priceless. Useless set of human beings. Eddie Murphy na gwa we go agwa wa ni. Eddie Murphy no ma, Eddie Murphy no enegbe. Era mo no mo yaga. Era mo no enegbe. Eddie Murphy alaja Facebook. Ogogo ya fe ori ma ya fe egbe. Wana we Eddie Murphy wa kan do ya fian. Wa kan do ase ye nora wo ye nora. Wo kan do afian, wo kan so na Eddie Murphy kan so afian. Una we Eddie Murphy o kan so gun we Facebook. Ekwe be mue. Ekwe mu gwe no mo bia jogwa ekwe mu e. Gwe no ma mu go jo hu bi agun. Gwe no ma mu go jo hu bi agwe first lady gwan. Social media wife hu bi agu egbon. Gwe no ma mu go jo hu. E my sister Lawa. Nya we bi ogba kian. Oda for esi we sike Monica nenia. Now you guys are now a friend to Monica. And then Monica can you want to pay show. I'm ready to share it. And Monica can you want to pay show. Eke afe mi nora ewe boya fe. Monica can we pay show. Omo no go Monica will say, ogbegbe enian, okin because Monica is a public dog. Monica na negbe. E Monica ma ojo se una te gbo se Monica akware oja we ku go o we last card check up. Oh, she no na adwork, you no na no God why adwork last card check up. With that way, in your way, alela go, I go, agalela dia, I dia. Na why have alela go, who I go here? You guys are confused human being. Lolo is better than you all. A lolo maso one. Na gbe ama we nere vie e lolo maso wane unwe lolo ozago ya fe na unwe lolo zagu wane unwe lolo ozago ya fe ni nezu e Monica we lolo ya swe eri no bu aladian wa ga me Monica no ya we dien ne jebu e iwune 2 million naira igbu e wa gbon wa we na ti 2 million naira ne jebu e we na ti 2 million naira rude jebu e Rude Lolo. It shows that your wife is an adulterous woman. All this red egg, I welcome you. It shows that your husband, your Mama Nora is an adulterous woman. Iye Nora, jato anu be Nora na. Adak when I was say with a Monica, adak when I seek Monica, ye Nora, jato anu be Nora na. No give all bio na. No give all kioni sa wa ko no give han kioni suwe. Eno gi o kio ni sawe eno ke kan kie nu suwe wa man wa eje Eddie Murphy is a social media president and he will always remain the social media president because Eddie Murphy egbegbe no wa Eddie Murphy is our #1 godfather ana atema no emi Facebook Eddie Murphy no ekene Eddie Murphy na gwan eno gi o ya lawa ekene Eddie Murphy na fun live presenter eno gi we wa yerugbo jobo uyerugbo jobo iwe go agbega erugbo jobo. Why you go jobo? So when somebody they come out, they say when they talk truth. Eddie Murphy is speaking from wisdom. It shows that Eddie Murphy is not hungry. He's not hungry. Why kwero egbe? Why bero egbe? Why sero egbe? Woman negbe? Why egbe no man negbe? Ave kete ne kwemu. You can go and send your puppies to my page. It will not stop me from saying the truth. Enogie, you are not. You should. If I hear that Enogie for anybody, matter again, it's a Enozwo. Your name is Enozwo. It's not Enogie. Do that way. Enogie. He working with Donna. When I get Leonge do Nogie. When I get Leonge, when I get Leledo, where they buy more, some buy. I'm enough for. We are getting oje do deba amoro usame ba menofua ana when I came and not get a social media na ya gele aton e ma no je wan bu enwe yes e ma me viedo e ma no ya wan bu viedo gele exist we webo e ma no stop centro centro ba be upasha wona ya fe is Eddie Murphy. What have you done? Eddie Murphy fought for Central to stop. What have you done? Eddie Murphy talk Central matter. Eddie Murphy fight people with pictures and evidence and everything. Eddie Murphy they fight 247. You think na 2 million naira? Na be Eddie Murphy. Na be Eddie Murphy problem. How where you they come out to go Eddie Murphy go on? We no shame on you. Enozwo. You are not Enogi. You are Enozwo. Enozwo. If I hear that price less again, I go give you slap for my phone. I will give you dirty slap for my phone. If I hear them again. Eddie Murphy na baba. Eddie Murphy. I say, when I hear say Eddie Murphy come back to Saga, that's why they are happy. Eddie Murphy na baba. The return of Eddie Murphy was the beginning of wisdom. The return of Edimofi is the beginning of wisdom. When Edimofi gone back to Saga, social media begin to hurt again. Who no one enter Facebook, begin to enter Facebook. Shows everybody miss her. Everybody miss her. Everybody miss Edimofi. When Edimofi enter Facebook, they happy. Now they happy. Useless. See. I'll be coming out every day by day. I go to reply a no-gay. A no-gay, you must admit, say you don't fuck up. A no-gay, you don't fuck up. You don't fuck up big time. You don't F. A no-gay, you don't F. We're F in there. I don't know when they come out for Facebook, they do all this. Okay, no-gay, all those one are story. Forget all those one are story. Now story. All of that story, no rhyme. You don't fuck up. You don't sell your pride. You don't sell yourself for 2 million. You are nothing. And all those boys they follow, when they give you hand. All of them, all those small guests, when they Paris, when they give you $10, when they give you $20. Now they clap and follow because say man neck boy. After who will via like the social media, you see this guaguade. Abi, you never do many people like that. And no gay, you never do many people like that. All those people they follow a no-gay tomorrow, no go see carry their call social media, he go insult them. People where they follow Ivie also carry call social media, he go insult them. Now some Monica still do moment we have Zua, bed of the same feather. We have for was Zua, una not get sense. Una not get sense. Sorry. Una not get sense. Una go see truth, na go the cover am. Now the women, I can't pay me pass. Ikwedo no zomo, ikwo ya yo. Aga sebe diyan we do odion, e do ave so won e do we odion. O re ne de, o re no, e na be ya kunoa. E Monica mi ekwegwe, iya ye e piche, e dumezi ya agba mekwa, oni okwo no wa. Let me come to you people. O ma ye kia yo ma we, o agwa, unu na ateme so agwa no. Okuna gelo are wodo eni ya fe ogbunuji wena like be asem ro wodo awa no bedo una gele okwu edo wa emenuta wena je patu ya embrace okbia uya mi gba dede iyan gboboju ekun eri edo woman awa ni hin na ive imyowa egena gele ve inyowa egena inyowa na gele ton na miegwe ebe bo mere dem wa ni keri egena inyowa na gele ton onwa agokwo ya rewo ogun gbogbo ni onwa agokwo rewo egena do na gele edo onwa agokwo rewo ya onwa agokwo ya rewo and me Monica muejunu ige iya Monica, for you to even be fucking your husband and Lolo is watching it. Ugene my sister, you are an adulterous woman and I put it to you. Ya fiekia you we no ge na mi be go wo ona ya de ona ya de no mo no wodo no. Let's be frank to ourselves. No. Let's be frank to ourselves. Okuna gele arogodo okbiana jigo ne okuna arogodo okbiana jigo ne voe okuna boyfriend na jigo ne vedo agwano ogba omo ogba odo wa mi want wa giate mata I procure respect Godfather wa mi want wa giate mata e Monica of your you are of your Joanne. Why you got big winning? I'm not saying that a day will come that I will say I want to do pay show. I can do it if I wish to do pay show, but I'm not against pay show. But you got to stop supporting adulterous woman. That woman don't agree. Say it don't do. Why you akpo bolele? Why you akpo bolele? Lo no man negbe Monica. Why akpo bolele Monica no man negbe? Monica no renya do. E Monica gwenya do ikwedi kwedo wa akpobolele wa ne ekpobolele ni ima blame wa okpe no mwa zo wa I blame odafo na gele okpie do no even no ilele do e kwenu wa lele Monica e mo no lele Monica e Facebook asawo ya fehin egbeworo ni ya mo e ba yeren e ba yen geren egbeworo ya ala mi wo ku no do ati afio kodi via Facebook oni eto he egele de uhe e na mo ta e Facebook na to kwe gata la dian e ga na jo okwo na jo wodo o yo bogwa o da fun alove kene o yo bogwa o e kwe amowe de agbe me na rije na wa nya karawa wa iki akarawa wa imu la da Facebook wa imu la dian wa teme kia wa temuwe wa ye gbu wa mu agwa ge gbu wa menu wa je wa ye gbu wa ti agwa agwa la wa Monica wo na ti je egbo na avebo Monica wo na de we mana de o pe mana eri bo kan wekun we awo ma we kia fa o pe mana eri bo kan wekun we na me we mana eri go yo na re ba na abrusi Monica ya vien jo we mana eri go pe ya we kia una re ba na abrusi Monica ya vien yo Monica we a ti vien ju we ya o ma abrusi pe ma la luwu ni pe ma bo ba kia we ni Monica we a ti vien yo I will come outside and show my true face. I will come outside and show my true face. I will come outside and show my true face. Monica, if you feel swear with Destiny Cassava, come swear with